Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to prevent a deleted folder from being restored in Windows. Start by locating the folder that keeps reappearing. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab. At the bottom, click on Advanced. A new window will open where you will see who owns the folder. Next to the owner's name, select Change. A box will appear where you can type a username. Type everyone. Then click Check Names. If Windows confirms it, click OK. Now enable the option that says Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. This ensures all files inside the folder are included. Click Apply, then confirm if a message appears. Click OK to close each window. Now you are the owner of the folder and all its contents. Go ahead and delete it. If the folder still returns, another thing to check is if any backup or file protection software is running. These programs can also restore deleted folders. Temporarily disable them and remove the folder one more time. These methods work in most cases and can save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching.